Welcome to mathlearners.com. In this video we are going to see how to do multiplication using Anurupayana Sutra or Anurupayana method. Anurupayana is a Sanskrit word. In English it means as proportionality. In last video we have seen Nikilam Sutra. Nikilam Sutra can be applied to those numbers which are closer to power of 10. But if the numbers are not closer to power of 10 and are closer to themselves or are closer to the multiples of 10, then we can apply Anurupayana Sutra. Let's take few examples for that. Let's say suppose we want to do multiplication of 52 multiplied by 56. Notice here that both the numbers are not closer to power of 10, that is they are not closer to either 100 or 10. So here we can take base as 50, which can be written as 100 by 2. Like that of Nikilam Sutra, 52 is 2 more than 50, so we can write this as plus 2, and 56 is plus 6 more than that of 50, so that can be written as plus 6. Cross addition gives 58 and multiplication of right hand side gives 12. Notice here we had divided base by 2, so even here we will have to divide by 2, so that comes as 29/12. So this is your answer. Let's do again 52 multiplied by 56. Base will remain same 50, but this time we will, instead of dividing, we will multiply. That is 50 can be written as 10 multiplied by 5. So 52 is 2 more than 50, so it can be written as plus 2. 56 is 6 more than 50, it can be written as plus 6. Cross addition gives 58. Multiplication of right hand side gives 12, but note here we had used 10, so we need to have only one digit, so 1 will be carry forwarded. But before carry forwarding it, since base 10 was multiplied by 5, here also we will have to multiply by 5, so that gives 290/12. This one will be carry forwarded, so this gives us 2912. That's your final answer. Let's take few more examples. Let's say we want to multiply 47 and 48. Base can be taken as 50, that is 100 by 2. 47 is 3 less than 50, so it can be written as minus 3. 48 is 2 less than 50, so can be written as minus 2. Cross addition gives 45. Multiplication of right hand side gives plus 6. Notice here we had used 100, so we need to have 2 digits, so we'll write that as 06, and the base was divided by 2, so here as well we'll have to divide by 2, so that gives us 22.5/06. Now we will have to take this 5 to the other side, so when it goes to the other side it will become 50 and added to that 06, so it comes as 2256. That's your final answer. Let's take same example, 47 multiplied by 48. Base will remain same 50, and let's do by multiplication. 10 multiplied by 5. 47 is 3 less than 50, so minus 3. 48 is 2 less than 50, so minus 2. Cross addition gives 45. Multiplication will give 6. But notice here we had multiplied 10 by 5, so here as well we will have to multiply by 5. So that gives us that's your final answer. Let's take same example, 47 multiplied by 48. Now let's take base as 40. So 40 can be written as 10 multiplied by 4. Now 47 is 7 more than 40, so that can be written as plus 7, and 48 is 8 more than 40, so that can be written as plus 8. Cross addition gives 55. Multiplication of 7 and 8 gives 56, but notice here we had written 10 as a part of a base, so we need to have only one digit. So this can be written as 5 downside. And notice here we had multiplied the base by 4, so same thing we will have to do here, multiply by 4, so that gives this 225. 5 will be carry forwarded, so that gives us 2256. So this tells that we can apply Anurupena whenever we cannot apply Nikhilam Sutra, but the condition we need to have is that the numbers should be closer to each other, and it's always advisable to multiply instead of doing division. So this was about Anurupena. Thank you for watching this video. In next video we will see a general method of multiplication in Vedic mathematics. Thank you.